Hi all. So, in case sometime if you feel some issue like with the network card or your network is not running, your Wi-Fi is not working, so you can follow these steps. This is simple steps, and just would like to clarify like how to fix that. So the issue is that you are getting this globe icon. Okay, so there could be few issues like if you click on this. In my case, I can't see the Wi-Fi option. Okay, so if you see the Wi-Fi option, you can directly click there and you can connect that. But the issue here is that it is uh, sometime you might face this issue that this globe icon is there, but your Wi-Fi options are not available. However, your Wi-Fi is running fine. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to right click on this, click on troubleshoot problems. Now it will say that what you want, right? Like how you want to fix it. So the best way is like if your issue is with your Wi-Fi, so just select with this one. Otherwise, you need to reset all network adapters. So rather than this, just choose your Wi-Fi. It will be quicker. Otherwise, it will take more time. Okay. So I selected Wi-Fi. Click on next. So it will suggest like if there is some problem, they will suggest like okay, problem found and networking need to reset. Okay. Now what you can do, you can fix this. Okay, so it will automatically fix for you. You don't need to do anything. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you just need to fix that. Okay, what was the issue? That your network configuration is not correct and that need to fix. Okay, so I say okay, uh, try these repair as administrator. You need the admin access, so I have the admin access. I can continue here, and it says okay, we have found the issue, we can fix this. If you want, we can apply. I said okay, apply, but it need to reset. Okay, so now my system will restart in 5 minutes. Now because you are working and it is very important, right? So you can't restart your system. So the best way is that you need to click on start, right click, run, type cmd and run a command shutdown hyphen a. That means you are stopping shutdown. Okay, you are stopping your server shutdown or server reboot process. So I say shutdown hyphen a and it will cancel my restart. Okay, now my system will not restart. Okay, now if you see what will happen, my network issue got fixed and I can see my Wi-Fi. So hope this video is useful for you. You need to give your password again, and once it works, you will be able to connect that. So without restarting, you can save your Wi-Fi and you can connect your network again, and it would be very useful. So now if you see, you should be able to open any website. Cool, right? So it is running now. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.